In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the lower convex glass on your Chevy Silverado. This will be located on the side mirror. Let's get started. We're going to remove the convex glass from the mirror. There's going to be tabs on the back in 4 places around the mirror. We're going to pull up on each tab. As we pull up on the tab, we're going to put some pressure on the back of the mirror, pushing it forward. And remove the glass. These were the clips. I pulled up on both of these while putting pressure on the back, and then gave it a small wiggle and the rest popped out. We're going to line up the clips with the motor and push the mirror straight on. Push it in the middle. You'll hear it click into place. You can give it a pull, make sure all the clips are locked on, and you're good to go.